everyone, welcome back to my channel Life to the Power Infinity. Hope you all are doing super duper fine. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite product of 2022, and today I'm going to talk about the Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island, Korea 99% Aloe Vera Gel. Well, I love aloe vera gel and we all know that aloe vera gel have loads of benefits. Pilgrim is a Korean skincare brand. They have huge skincare and hair care products in their website. I'll give you a very quick small sneak peek of their website right here. You can also use this particular code to get 15% off on all of your products that you purchase from Pilgrim. So firstly, I'm going to talk about the packaging of the Pilgrim aloe vera gel. Well, it comes in a transparent plastic tube like packaging, and all the big and small details are given right at the back of the packaging. It also comes with a green flip top cap here, which is very easy to dispense the product. Now let's talk about the Pilgrim aloe vera gel benefits. Well, 95% of people have noticed a visibly hydrated skin. Like after using this aloe vera gel, they have noticed a huge change on their skin. Plus 88% of people have restored their hair luster, and 91% of people felt their skin elasticity to be increased. So isn't that great? And the most powerful benefit that we are getting from this particular brand Pilgrim are, it is 100% vegan product. It is a FDA and PETA approved product. It is a cruelty free product, not tested on animals. Plus it is sulfate free, it is paraben free, no extra chemicals added in the products. It is absolutely toxicity free. So we are talking about the Pilgrim aloe vera gel, and by the name of it we can understand that the main ingredient in this particular product is aloe vera. So they have added 99% aloe vera gel, and they have mixed with white lotus, vitamin E and vitamin B5. This aloe vera gel is absolutely fragrance free. It has that very mild fragrance of real original aloe vera. Trust me guys, once you get this aloe vera gel in your hand, you cannot differentiate the aloe vera gel with the original aloe vera plant, because it is absolutely plant derived aloe vera gel. I'm in love with the thin consistency of this aloe vera gel. It is very easy to apply all over your face, and the product gets into your skin very quickly. This particular product is absolutely a versatile product. You can use it as a face mask, you can use it as a hair mask, and you can also use it as a moisturizer. Basically, I use this aloe vera gel like a face mask and a moisturizer because it's summertime, it's humid outside, so I skip my heavy moisturizer, and instead of using a heavy moisturizer, I try to apply aloe vera gel, which just makes my skin so calm down and so relaxed, because it has a very cooling sort of effect. And you will get to know when you get a real aloe vera gel in your hand, because a real aloe vera gel will always give you a very cooling and fresh effect on your skin. I love to apply my aloe vera gel as a face mask. I apply a thick layer of aloe vera gel onto my face. I evenly distribute it all over my skin. I try to give a nice massage to my skin so that all the good nutrients of this aloe vera gel absorbs into my skin nicely. And voila, my skin looks much more hydrated, and it's giving me that smooth and soft effect. I not only use it as a face mask, I also use it as a hair mask. So here is the demo. I take a handful amount of aloe vera gel and liberally distribute it evenly to my hair and scalp. I have a very dry and itchy scalp in the summers. I love to apply aloe vera gel on my scalp. It just makes my itchy scalp so calm and so relaxed. I also love to apply the aloe vera gel at the end section of my hair, because it will bring back the lost shine, luster and glossiness to my hair. If you guys want to apply the aloe vera gel as a moisturizer, you just need to apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel onto your face, massage it nicely twice a day, and you will get a very hydrated, water warm sort of a skin. The Pilgrim aloe vera gel not only works as a good moisturizer, face mask or hair mask, it works as a great antiseptic. So if you have bug bites, if you have shaving cuts or wounds, or if you have sunburns, pimples, acne, you can apply it and I'm sure that it will vanish away from your skin. I can give you a small tips how to use this aloe vera gel in your daily life. Firstly, I apply the aloe vera gel and then I shave my face. The shaving blade glides on smoothly onto my skin without leaving any wounds or cuts, and even though if you get wounds or cuts, it works as a great antiseptic, so do not worry. This is priced at rupees 275 only, and it contains 200 gram of product. Like you can see, this is a huge tube, and even though you use it regularly, it will last you one big month. So I think the quantity is great and the price is so affordable in your pocket. The Pilgrim Aloe Vera Gel is available in all the online stores like Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, and their original website, that is the www.discoverpilgrim.com. They also have their Instagram. Go and follow their Instagram, discover.pilgrim. I'll link every details in the description box below to check it out, guys. Plus, you can also use their code to get 15% off in each and every product that you purchase from Pilgrims. And if you guys really enjoy watching me, then please like, comment, share, follow all of my social medias like my Instagram and my Facebook handle will be right here. Those of you who are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel because it means a lot to me, and do not forget to hit that bell icon all to stay notified with all of my upcoming videos. So thank you guys for watching me. Love you, take care, have fun, and just stay tuned with my next video. Bye.